Hey, it's Jessie here with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth, whether it be an Apple or an Android device. So the first thing you want to do is click the phone app, click Connect Phone, then you would click Add Phone. Once you've clicked Add Phone, you go into your phone, into your Bluetooth connections, and pick what it says on the screen, which this is a Chevrolet, so it said Chevrolet. You pair, click pair, and now it's connected. If you have any additional questions about your vehicle, feel free to give us a call or stop by and see us here at Everett Chevrolet in Hickory, North Carolina.